Today we're talking about the FotoZap Booth. FotoZap Booth is an iPad app and also a housing. We sell this as a metal tower housing. We also sell wall-mounted, marketing panel, custom housings. Can really go in anything. And the app itself is designed for marketing benefits. It's perfect for retail rollouts, events, venues of all types. And let's go through a couple of the features of it. First of all, we're going to start the app right here. And the first thing you notice is that the settings screen is extremely simple. Everything is set up in the cloud and pushed down. So all you need to do when you load it in at your restaurant, for example, is log in and then select a campaign. So here you have 4 campaigns, and then you have a combo campaign which combines, in this case, all 4 of them. So let's go ahead and start that. Each of these campaigns is represented by a custom graphic, and actually multiple custom graphics, and you can see them, some of them start to rotate. You also can design the background, the color scheme. Every aspect of this is completely controllable because, again, it's designed for marketing. The campaign that you select affects a bunch of things. It affects the type of media that's captured. In this case, it's photo, a 3-frame animated GIF, a boomerang effect, and high-res video. So the media type, how that media type is branded, right? In this case, it actually adds a soundtrack to these animations, and it gives a different effect. You got an overlay to it, a lot of different possibilities there, as well as the sharing options and the data that's collected and the way it's delivered. All of this is part of the campaign, so when the person's selecting between these, they're actually selecting the entire experience on-site and online that they're going to receive. Here we're doing different media types. You could also just have, for an example, 16 different branded sports teams. So you're at an event, you choose your favorite sport team, and then you receive a branded image with that sports team logo and colors, etc. So a lot of potential here. You can have up to 16 different campaign options that the consumer can select between, or just run one and just run that at one event and then switch to a different one at the next event. So let's go ahead and try one of these. Let's do the boomerang effect. You can see it's a screen pops up, there's a red interface, it counts down and it captures 10 frames and it plays it backwards, forwards, similar to Instagram's boomerang app. And it's very fun. You can see that. We had a lot of fun with this in the office. After it takes it, you can see it applies the overlay at the bottom, and it has 2 buttons, keep or retake. So let's go ahead and keep that. And the next screen you see is the sharing screen. Again, depending on which option you chose, which campaign you chose, you can have completely different sharing options. You can have just one sharing option. For example, the next screen you see could just be this screen, which is collecting the SMS and sending the consumer a text message. Or you can have multiple icons like we do here to collect email. You can use this QR code to actually scan a QR coded card, right? So you can actually scan one, and that's great if you're doing multiple capture devices and you want to actually drive people from the photo booth over to a separate station to pick up for larger events. You can also do a full custom survey. This is uniquely designed for your brand, so you can have these opt-in questions and liability releases, whatever you need to do, signature pad thing, whatever you want to do, people can fill that out. You can even do direct share to Facebook. They log into Facebook, or printing and print a glossy photo with a wireless photo printer. So after they've shared, they hit done, and you're right back to the beginning. All of that data goes in, flows into your online control panel. It's all available. All the images do as well. You can actually have the data flow directly into your CRM. And you can have the images, in addition to being privately delivered to that consumer, you can also have them publicly displayed in a photo wall at the event, in an online or an event photo mosaic. You can funnel them to your brand's Facebook page and an album. You can put them into Dropbox and do whatever you want with them. You can funnel them into wherever you need to do to create a more public display. That's an option. So this is FotoZap Booth. It's available for immediate delivery in pretty much any quantity, 10, 20, 50, or 100 booths, for example, not a problem. We can install them. Everything gets wrapped, custom branded. The interface is branded. The online experience is branded. It's, again, designed for marketing, data collection, and branded sharing. FotoZap Booth by Picture Marketing.